the road after church. It's very interesting. Oh, yeah. The road is still where many of us were going back home. Hello. We're going home. I'm finally here to visit this thing. See, this is Tulip Garden here in New Delhi. There are so many people, and this is a metro component, and there are 2 more people coming. Okay, that's right. We are waiting for these 2 human beings. This is the entrance, and that side is the main Tulip Garden. There are lots of people. We are also going there shortly after waiting for these people. These are the 2 gentlemen, and this is the 1 gentleman boy. We are here at Tulip Garden waiting for this. For these 2. What? They're here. We're waiting for them. Here's your 1 tulip. Wow, nice boy. Bye bye, bro. Main road. This is the main road. There's a nice car. I'll lose control. So these are the old people. We're crossing the road, and that side is also the main one. There are lots of people, and here. These are the tulips. The line is long enough. I cannot see the ending with my phone. There's also line. Hi.
Hey.
There's also yellow line. Còn tôi nè. Nó xong sợi rồi, nó bị tiệm hết rồi. That one is a different color, and this is also a different color. Different color. And this side is different color. Lots of people. Lots of. And this is different color again. The pink tulip. The pink tulip. And there is also one. I lose control. Slipping through my fingers. This is also a white one. Wow. The white tulip is also looking good. There are lots of some Samsung users. Even this guy is Samsung user. There's one Ultra user. Ultra. Oh, this is also a different one. Different color of tulip. This is also different. This is red. There is red and this is, I don't know. Sleeping too much. I'm just taking a walk for all of you to see. There are lots of people. Even there is one different color, which I don't know. As ôi đúng luôn bây giờ gì mà tôi làm à. Okay bro. No, I'm taking video only. Video ngay đúng không? We met some more friends here and they are going to dance for all of you. Meron may practice ito lo ba ya? Pictures. People are also selling, doing some business. And then that side there's more tulip. There's more tulip. There are more people coming. And what?